Shalom Chavrim. This is Richard Solomon, and this will be a demonstration, or if you like, a tutorial on how to use a free brainstorming web tool or app called MindVector for Judaic instruction and for staff development. Now, as an example of how you could use this for your Judaic studies classes, or you wish to share with your faculty, I created a mind map or visual cluster of topics in Judaic studies. So that's the main topic, and then the subtopics, which I color-coded. I'll show you how I do that in a moment. I have tefillah, and then other related topics, Shachrit, Mariv, and Mincha. And a second subtopic is Israel, and I have 3 subtopics, if you will. And then I have a history of the Jewish people, ancient, modern, and the Middle Ages. So let me show you how you actually do this, okay? So let's first go to the place where you would log in to this. You go to mindvector.com and you simply sign up, okay? And let's get back to my mind map on topics in Judaic studies, and I'll show you how we make something like this. Please note I also added picture and a link. So here's the picture right over here, right? And here's the link over here. You just click on this and you click here and it takes you to a link on tefillah. I'll show you. Okay, so let's get back over here and show you how we made this. So let's get to creating a new map. Okay, let's go here and create a new map, and we'll call this mind map of Judaic topics, okay? And if we want to add a child, we just click add a child, and we just write, let's say Jewish history, right? So that's done. And if we want to create another child to mind map, well, let's say we want to create another child for Jewish history. So you click here and then you look at a child. Here's a sibling, which is the equivalent, but let's just add a child. And what we'll do is we'll call this ancient history, right? We'll call this ancient Jewish history. If we wish to change the color, we just select over here. And by the way, if we wish to add an image from your computer, we click here. If we wish to add a URL, we click here. But let me just show you how this thing works. We want to create another child. Let's say we want to call this child Middle Ages, right? Excuse me. We don't want to do that. We want to get rid of that. We want to create a child for Jewish history and make that the Middle Ages. Okay, so we did that. We can move it up. And if we want to create another child for Jewish history, we go here, and let's call this modern, meaning modern Jewish history. Again, if you want to change the color, you go here. If you want to add an image, you go here. And if you want to add a link, you go here. Okay, so let's just show you how we change the color. Okay, so there we change the color. And let's show you one more thing, how we added tefillah. Okay, so let's create another child, and let's call this tefillah, right? And if we want to add a link, you find the link in your search engine, we'll copy it we'll go back here and we'll just plug in the link, right? So we'll just paste the link, and now we have the link, and you can get to it. Right, so what have we said? What we have said is that MindVector is both an app and a web tool that can be used by Judaic students and teachers to create mind maps or brainstorming clusters. And it can be used in your Judaic studies classes, and you could share it with your staff in terms of their staff development. Thank you so very much.